What do you do to your avocado seeds after consuming the butter? You throw them away, right? Okay, now you have to watch this video till the end so that you will see a wonderful hair growth oil that I made out of my own avocado seeds for my natural hair. And this oil is something that works, is very potent, and will triple your hair growth just in space of few weeks. Hi guys, you are welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, you are highly welcome. If you are an OG, thank you so much for always clicking in. I really appreciate you. If you haven't subscribed to this channel, please do well to subscribe and turn on your bell notification so that you will get notified each time I upload a new video. And if you are interested in growing your hair in a natural way using natural ingredients, this channel is actually for you. Okay, so do well to subscribe and also stay connected. Avocado seeds are nutrient dense powerhouse containing over 70% of the avocado's total antioxidant capacity. These seeds you see here are packed with polyphenols and flavonoids that protect hair follicles from oxidative stress caused by UV rays and other pollutions. So I gathered my avocado seeds and peeled the back to make sure that they are good. I also broke them into twos, so you can as well do that. Just make sure that your avocado seeds are healthy. Yes, don't use bad avocado seeds so that you don't end up contaminating your oil. Then I started by grating my avocado seeds one after the other. You can as well blend yours, but just make sure that you are blending it without liquid, because in this particular recipe or in this kind of oil making, you don't need liquid in it. And that's also because of the method that we'll be using in this video. There are some methods that you will use for this oil. You may also need to add water if you want to blend it, but for you to get the best and fast results, you have to do it, you have to grate it or to blend it without water. You can see how much I have here. This thing expands, like you will grate one seed and it will full everywhere. I ended up using only small portion of it and keeping others, drying others to keep or to preserve for as when avocado will be out of season, so that I don't run out of avocado seeds. So you can as well do that if you are not making your oil now or making use of your avocado seeds now. You can grate them or blend them and dry them, then store them in an airtight container and keep them for when you want to use them. Okay, because by the time you would want to use them for any kind of recipe at all for your hair, you may not see avocado seeds to use. Okay, this is the quantity that I'll be using for my oil. I just added the quantity that I needed into a glass jar. I prefer to use a glass jar just to avoid any form of microplastic wahala and all of that talks, and also because the lids tend to cover very well. But if you have plastic as your only option, you can go ahead and use it. Okay, so after grating and fetching the quantity that I need, I went ahead to add my carrier oil. The carrier oil that I'm using in this video is coconut oil. You can use your olive oil, you can use your almond oil, your jojoba oil, and any other carrier oil that your hair loves. But I'm using coconut oil in this video. I added the quantity that I need, which is a little above 100 ml, and covered it to shake it very well. Then I kept it for
2,000 years later.
I honestly lost count of how long I kept this thing because I left it alone to infuse properly. But I am sure it was past 1 month, which is 4 weeks. And when I remembered it, I brought it out, and this is the beauty that I have here. You can see the color of the oil. You can leave your own for up to 3 months. Mine was way past 1 month. I am sure it was going to 2 months or even more, but I just lost count. If you are fast about it, if you want it fast, you can do 2 weeks, 3 weeks, or 4 weeks. Okay, just make sure that it infuse very well. Sometimes you just shake it and also keep it again. So that was what I kept doing. You can see the color of the oil. Even apart from the color, it has totally infused. The smell, it smells differently, not really like raw coconut oil again. After sieving it out, I try to use my spoon and press it so that all the oil will come out of the shaft. Even after that, I have to also use my hand and press the hell out of it and everything came out by force. So you can know a better way to do yours, to extract the whole oil from the chaff so that you don't end up throwing away the oil with the chaff. Okay, remember I told you that I added a little bit above 100 ml, so that by the time I extract it, it will not be less than 100 ml, because at the end of the day you may not be able to totally separate the oil from the little liquid that will be added into it from the chaff. Remember, we use fresh avocado seeds, and fresh ones also contain small liquids in them. This oil you see here is now packed with healthy fats, vitamins and minerals, and these nutrients directly support scalp health and hair strength. It also has amino acids, which is a building block of keratin, which is the protein that makes up the hair. I had to reduce it after pouring it in so that I will make it even more richer than it is. Then I added 1 capsule of vitamin E to help preserve it for a longer period of time. And also, I thought of adding some rosemary leaves to add extra nutrients into my hair oil. Now, if you have been watching without liking this video, what are you waiting for? Are you waiting for this video to actually end without you liking it? Please do well to give it a thumbs up. Click the like button and also check if you have subscribed. If you have not, do well to subscribe and turn on your bell notification so that you don't miss any video. Okay, then after adding all my rosemary leaves, I'm using dried rosemary leaves, so you can use the fresh one or the dried one depending on the one you have available. Okay, you can add rosemary oil if you have rosemary oil. Then after adding it, I filled it up again to the brim and shook it very well. And yeah, this is how beautiful it is looking. Now I have myself a very potent avocado seed oil in my hands for my beautiful hair. If you have watched to this extent, I really appreciate you. Thank you so much for watching. Do well to like, subscribe, and share to other people. Stay safe out there and see you in my next video. Bye.